Okay guys, this is a Euro type lock. I believe it's called EasyWorks. It's I think it's like a Kwikset would be in the US. EasyWorks is I think well known over there in Europe for their locks. This was donated to me from Ford from the Bay, and he's over there in Germany right now. And I appreciate that. Thanks a lot. It's a 5-pin lock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to give that a try right now. It's like a double deadbolt. There's a key on both sides, and here we go. Euro style short hook, and start off with a rake or two, you know. There we go. Okay, I go back in there and push up on the ones that are possibly giving you trouble, like that one. There you go, turn a little bit. I don't think there's securities in here. I'm missing one somewhere here. I think that's it. Nope. Giving me a hard time here today. There it is. There's a very back one. Okay, and there you go. It's a 5-pin Euro lock. I believe it's called EasyWorks. I'm not quite positive on that, but yeah. And there you go. See you later. Have fun.